Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to easily upgrade plan on Revolut. So let's get started. Number 1, open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone and log into your account. Number 2, go to account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab at the bottom of the screen. Number 3, select plans. Scroll down to find the plans or subscription section and tap on it. Number 4, choose your new plan. Review the available plans like Premium or Metal and select that one you want to upgrade to. Number 5, review details and pricing. Read the details of the new plan, including features and pricing, then tap upgrade or confirm. Number 6, complete the payment process. Following any prompts to enter payment information and confirm your upgrade. Your plan will be upgraded and you will have access to the new features. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.